Good morning, children. Today I am going to start off with a new chapter, chapter 3 of your literature book, which is page number 18. The name of the story is A Day in the Jungle. So, the story is all about animals and jungle safari. What is a jungle safari? Anybody can tell me? Where you go on an adventure to a jungle with maybe your parents, maybe your friends, right? And watch all the animals, the wild animals in the jungle, right? So now, before we start off with the chapter, we are going to do one exercise where, let's see, page number 18, very simple one. Look at the picture. I will just show you the page so that it's easier for you. Look at this. This is the page. Can you all see? Yeah. Page number 18. Okay, let's do it together. It's a simple exercise before we start off with the chapter. See, look at the picture and identify the animals. Write their names in the blanks. Use the words from the box. So there's a help box given here. Let's read the help box. Okay, which one is the help box? This is the help box. We're going to read this and then look at the pictures and choose from this help box which one is the correct one. Okay, so let's do it. First word is hyena. Hyena, hyena. First word is hyena. Next one is polar bear. Next one is polar bear. Next is cheetah, the fastest animal. Cheetah can really run fast. Then rhinoceros. Then walrus. And then mongoose. Okay. Okay. Now let's see number 1. See the picture. The picture is of what? Who can tell me? Very good. So number 1 is, this is page number 18 we are doing, okay? So number 1 will be walrus. That is a walrus. I'm writing on the board, yet you can see from the help box and write as well. Okay. Right. Number 2. All of you know number 2 is cheetah, the fastest animal. So here, number 2. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. Okay. Now number 3. We all know it has a horn. So it's a rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. Okay. Next one, number 4. Is a mongoose. M-O-N-G-O-O-S-E. Mongoose. Number 5 will be, very good, very simple, polar bear. Polar bear. And number 6, hyena. H-Y-E-N-A. Hyena. Right? Now look at the board. I have written the answers. Check your answers. You can see from the help box and write as well, okay? If that is easier for you. This was a simple exercise. I'm sure all of you have done it by now. Only there are 6 words you need to write and identify the animals. Right. Now we are going to go to page number 19, right? We are going to read the story. So, what is the story all about? A Day in the Jungle. The name of the story is A Day in the Jungle. Okay? Now let's read. Read this story to find out what Jaya and Varun see when they go to a jungle safari with their parents. So the story is all about 2 children, Jaya and Varun, who has gone for a jungle safari with their parents, and let's see what happens there. Okay? So should we start off with the chapter? Have you opened the book? Page number 19. We are going to read it together. Okay? Yes, we will read it together. So take out your book. I'll just give you a minute to open the page. Page number 19. So that you can follow. Children, when I am going to read, reading is a very important skill. So when I am going to read, you are going to follow with your fingers. Okay? Right hand, this finger, you are going to follow. When I read, you will follow like this. Okay? Open your books and follow like this. Right? I am going to explain each and every line to you. So it is very important that you follow what I am reading, right? Right. I'm sure y'all are ready, right, by now. So let's start off. The children were very excited. Excited means very happy and just wanted to go for the safari. Early in the morning, they woke up to the chirping of the birds. So what happened? Early in the morning, right in the morning, subah, in the morning, they woke up, they got up, and hearing what did they hear when they got up? The chirping of the birds. Chirping means चिड़िया कैसे करते हैं? चहचहाते हैं ना? तो chirping is that. Okay? So they heard the chirping of the birds. Before the sun's rays could peep in through the treetops, they had taken their seats in the jeep. So before the sun's rays could peep in, which means before the sun could come out, before the sun means before the sun rises, right? मतलब सूरज उगने से पहले. What happened? They left the house. They were sitting in the jeep, right? Before the sun was rising. Now, this was their first visit to the jungle with their parents. So this was the first visit. Before this, they did not go to the jungle. So this was the first visit. पहली बार वो लोग जा रहे हैं jungle. A forest guide who knew the jungle well also accompanied them. So when they went to the jungle, what happened? When they were leaving for the jungle, because jungle is a very dense place, you know, we don't go to the jungle every day. So we don't know what is there in the jungle. So we have to have a guide. एक गाइड चाहिए होता है जंगल जाने के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि जंगल का रास्ते तो we don't know, है ना? So what happens is we need a guide. So they took a forest guide who knows all about the forest, right? Who knew the jungle well. Also accompanied them. Accompanied means went with them. Okay. Welcome to Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary, said the guide. What did the guide say? Welcome to the Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. What is the name of the sanctuary? Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Right? So what did they where are they going? Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. Where are they going? Mukta Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the name of the place they are going. Right? Okay. Said the guide. So the guide welcomed their parents and both the children. What was the name of the children? Jaya and Varun. Right? So, you will see lots of animals and birds there. What did the guide say? He said that you will see lots of animals and birds in the jungle, right? And if you are lucky, you may even spot a tiger. If you go for the safaris, for jungle safaris, tigers are very rare to see. So what he is saying is that if you are lucky, then you can see a tiger, okay, in the jungle. Look, said the guide, pointing to something moving under a bush. So what did he say? Look, he said to the children. They peered down and saw a porcupine. What did they see? A porcupine. Porcupines have spikes all over their body. What is a spike? It's a कांटा बोलते हैं ना, कांटा, हाँ वो, ठीक है. So they saw a porcupine. What did they see? A porcupine. It bristled its quills. Oh, squills means the thorns, said Jaya, pointing out to the spines. So she pointed out to the porcupine, the spines. They look like they would really hurt. So they look like they can really hurt. Hurt means they can harm you. Because the spikes, जो कांटा होते हैं ना, those are very dangerous, So Jaya said that they can really hurt us. They drove on. So just they drove on in the jeep, enjoying the overhead canopy of trees. Children, what is the meaning of canopy? Canopy is like a cover. Any kind of cover is called a canopy. But here it is said that the cover is the trees are covering the jungle like a canopy. Okay? मतलब पेड़ों से पूरा ढक दिया है जंगल को, एक कवर की तरह, है ना? They drove on, enjoying the overhead canopy of trees and gentle bumps on the road. So the trees were covered on top like a canopy, and they were riding on the road, which was bumpy. It was not smooth. Okay. Up ahead, a few spotted deer were crossing the road. So when they were going, a few deer. Next, what did they see? Deer. They saw deer. So they were spotted deers which were crossing the road. When they went closer, the deer seemed to have disappeared. So they could see the deer from far away when they were driving, and then when they came near, the deer had already crossed and they could not see any more. Okay. Where did they go? Asked Varun. What did Varun ask? Where did they go? They are still here. They are camouflaged, said the guide. So what did the guide say? They are still here. They did not go anywhere. They crossed the road and they went to the other side, but they are still here. They did not go anywhere. They are camouflaged. What is the meaning of camouflaged? Who can tell me? See the words, please spell the word. C-A-M-O-U-F-L-A camouflaged. C-A, please read again. This is a difficult word, so you need to learn the spelling of it. C-A-M-O-U-F-L-A-G-E-D. See, you can break it up. C-A-M-O-U-F-L-A-G-E-D. Camouflaged. Okay? So, now we are going to explain the meaning of what is camouflage. What is camouflage? Asked Jaya. So the guide said the deer were camouflaged. So what did Jaya ask? What is camouflage? She did not know the meaning of camouflage. Now the guide will explain what is a camouflage. It is a special way of hiding by animals. And different animals have different ways of hiding and protecting themselves, right? So, what did the guide say? Different animals have different ways of hiding themselves, especially when they sense danger. So, how do they hide? When there is danger, they exactly know how to protect themselves and how to hide themselves, right? So, the colors or patterns on their bodies often help them to merge with their natural surroundings. So what happens? The color of their body, when they hide behind a branch or a bush, they get camouflaged. Means, suppose a deer is brown and the branch is also brown. So if they hide behind a branch or a wood or a log or a tree trunk, they get camouflaged. So they hide, right? And people cannot see them easily. So that is how they protect themselves. वो लोग क्या करते हैं? छुप जाते हैं, है ना? It then becomes difficult to spot. Then you cannot spot them. It becomes very difficult. Explained the guide. You cannot see the spotted deer because its brown skin and white spots have merged with the trunks of the tree. Like I told you, the guide is saying what happens when the deer is hiding, camouflaging itself. जब डियर छुप जाते हैं पेड़ के पीछे, है ना? What happens? The tree trunk is also brown, the deer is also brown, and then the deer gets hidden behind the tree trunk. So nobody can spot. That is how they protect themselves, all animals. The guide also the guide was looking through the binoculars when he froze. So what happened? He was looking through the binoculars. You know what are binoculars? When you use a binocular, you know, you can see when certain things are very far away, you can see it very near and clear. So that is a binocular. Okay. The guide was looking through the binoculars and he froze. He stared hard. Then he pointed to a tree in a distance. So what did he do? He just stopped for some time. He froze and he looked through his binocular and he pointed towards a tree which was far away, in a distance, far away. A leopard. Now next, what did they see? A leopard. They saw a leopard. He said in a low voice, see, he just pointed and showed to a distance and say, see, there's a leopard and it has a kill on the tree. A kill on the tree means he has killed an animal and he has kept it on the tree. So that is the meaning of kill on the tree. Right. Now children, before we go to the next page, let's read these meanings, right, which are there in this page itself. So it's going to be easier for you all. I will explain the words more clearly. See here, peered. These are the meanings I am doing right now. Please look at the page. These are the meanings I am doing. Okay, so that you can follow with your fingers, and I am going to explain it more clearly. Okay. Peered, looked carefully. Peered means to look carefully. ध्यान से देखना. Okay. Bristled, stood upright. Bristled means जैसे टूथब्रश देखा है आपने, टूथब्रश में क्या होता है? ब्रिसल्स. ऐसे खड़े खड़े हो जाते हैं, है ना, खड़े खड़े होते हैं टूथब्रश के ब्रिसल्स, तो उसको ब्रिसल बोलते हैं. और पॉक्यूपाइन क्या है? दे हैव, उन लोगों का कांटा होता है पूरे शरीर में. तो व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन दे गेट स्कैर्ड, दे ब्रिसल देमसेल्व्स अप. तो वो कांटा पूरा सीधा हो जाता है. ओके. सो स्टूड अपराइट. क्विल्स, थिन शार्प स्पाइन्स ऑन अ पॉक्यूपाइन्स बॉडी. पॉक्यूपाइन के बॉडी में जो होता है, दैट इज, दोज आर कॉल्ड क्विल्स. Canopy. I told you canopy, I already explained to you, it's a cover, and any kind of cover is called a canopy. And here it means the branches and trees have covered the jungle like a canopy. Okay. Merge, become mixed so that the difference cannot be noticed. So what happened? It becomes mixed, means merge. Like deer, जैसे when the deer hides himself behind a branch or a tree trunk, it merges itself, है ना? So that's called merge. Mix हो जाता है. Kill, I told you, an animal killed. Okay. So I've explained all the meanings to you as well. Right now let's go to the next page. Page number 20. Please turn the page and follow with your fingers. Everyone looked through the binoculars one by one. So what did they do? Their parents, Jaya and Varun, they all, because the leopard was very far away and they could not see it properly. So what did they do? Everybody took turns to see through the binocular. What were they seeing? The leopard. Sure enough, a majestic leopard. stared back at them. Majestic means royal. Nah? Leopards are like royal. Yeah. What is the kill? Why is it up on a tree? Asked Varun. What did the Varun ask? What did Varun ask? What is the kill? Means what did the leopard kill? And why did he keep it on the tree? It's a deer, replied the guide. What did the guide reply? It's a deer. So the leopard killed a deer. The leopard had carried it up so that it wouldn't be snatched away by a tiger or a hyena. So why did the leopard take the kill, which is the deer? The leopard killed the deer and he picked it up and put it on the top of the tree. Why? Varun asked, why did he keep it on the tree? Because so that it cannot be taken by any other animal like tigers or hyena, so that he can eat peacefully, right? So he was protecting the food he had. Climbing a tree is a very special ability, said the children's mother. What did the mother say? Climbing a tree is a very special ability. So everybody cannot climb a tree. So climbing a tree means पेड़ पे चढ़ना वो एक स्पेशल एबिलिटी होता है, सबकी बस की बात नहीं होती है ना? तो that's what she's saying. It's a special ability, climbing a tree. It takes strong legs to go up and a strong tail to help balance on the tree. So she's talking about the leopard. You need strong legs to climb up the tree and strong tail to balance on the tree. Now, if you are going up and tree trunks are narrow, not very thick, right? So you need to have strong legs and a strong tail to keep your balance. Like leopards, tigers and lions find it difficult to climb trees. So leopards can climb trees very easily, but tigers and lions cannot because of their weight and large size. So tigers and lions are more big and they have more weight, so they cannot climb up the tree. But leopards are very sleek and they do not have so much weight like tigers, so they can easily climb up the tree. They watched the leopard till it was time to move on. So they kept on watching the leopard, and then finally they thought that they are going to move on in the journey and leave the big cat alone. So they left the big cat alone. They drove through the woodlands. What is the meaning of woodlands? See in the meaning, children. Woodlands, an area of land filled with trees. See, when I am explaining, just look at this here. You get the, can you see? Here you get the meanings. Woodland. I am explaining this to you. An area of land filled with trees. An area of land which is filled with trees is called woodland. They drove through the woodlands and crossed a river. They crossed a river also. There was tall grass ahead of them. They could see tall grasses. As they took the narrow road through it, they caught sight of a rhino. So, after the leopard, what did they see? They saw a rhino. What's a rhino? Sorry, rhinoceros. Okay. So after that, they saw a rhinoceros and a calf running into the thicket. What is the thicket? Okay. Calf. Calf means young one of a rhino. Okay. It's called a calf. Means bacha. Thicket, a group of trees or bushes growing close together. Means thick bushes which are growing together. बहुत thick bushes एक साथ, उसको बोलते हैं thicket. Okay. So what did they saw? They saw a rhino and a calf running into the thick bushes. What did they see? A rhino and a baby rhino. A big rhino and a baby rhino. They saw they were running into the thick bushes. Okay. Have you understood? Any problems, children? Please read the chapter properly. We have done till this thicket. So go through the chapter. I am going to give you the words which you need to underline. I will write it down, type it down and send a file to you which you can, write down in your notebooks the difficult words and spellings. Okay? And you can underline also in your notebook, in your book. Right? So this was it, children, and this was the chapter I have started. If you have any problems, anything, any problem in explanation which you cannot understand, please get back to me. Okay? I will try my best to explain it to you. Now in this, what I want you to do is, you read the chapter properly and just go through my video, listen to the pronunciation, how I am pronouncing all the words properly, follow the video, and then I want you to record. Yes, you record, you read and record in your phone and you send it to me. Right? What will you do? You read, you record and you send it to me. Right? You can send an audio file, no problem. Yeah. So you read, maybe, the first part. You can send a 2 minutes, 2 minutes recording. 2.5 minute recording will be fine, I think. Yes, you record it and send it to me. Right? So, for today, I take your leave. Stay home, stay safe, be good. If you have any issues, get back to me. I end my lecture today here. Thank you so much, children. Have a wonderful day.